Hi kids, this is Mrs. Kincaid. For the next few days, we'll be doing a web quest called Water Warriors. We're going to learn how to conserve water. We'll be learning what a drought is and how it affects the earth and us and what we can do to help conserve water. So we can become water warriors and we can find out how to conserve water. We will learn about droughts and water conservation. We're going to discover ways to conserve water. We're going to tell our classmates about what we've learned, and we're going to teach our classmates what they can do to conserve water. All right, so day 1, we're going to research and write a paper. Day 2, you're going to make a poster, and day 3, you will present. So I will assign each person a partner, and you are called water warriors. So let's go see what we need to do. The first thing we do on day 1 is learn what a drought is and how it affects the earth. You'll click on the link, and after you read, you're going to answer the questions. What is a drought, and what do droughts affect? So you're going to need a pencil and paper to write down the answers. And each answer I would like in complete sentences. We're going to learn what conservation is. You'll click on the link and then you'll answer the 2 questions as well. What is conservation? And why do people try to preserve natural resources? And in this case, we're talking about water. Then you're going to learn from the water efficiency hero Flo what you can do to help protect the water supply. So you'll click on this link, and then you're going to click on simple ways to conserve water, and then there's raindrops at the very bottom where you will click and you'll find out how to conserve water. I want you to write down the 5 ways to conserve water. On this website, we also get to play games, so have fun with that. And then on conservewater.org, you'll click on that link to play some more games and see different ways to conserve water as well. I'd like you to write 5 more ways to conserve water. All right, so tell each other what you've learned. One group member is going to write a short paragraph that includes what a drought is, what a drought affects, what conservation means, why people try to conserve natural resources, again, water, and at least 5 ways to conserve water. Now, just because one person writes doesn't mean the other person doesn't get to do anything. Both of you warriors will work on the paragraph together. That was day 1. So day 2, you're going to make a poster with your fellow water warrior, and it's going to include a title, 5 ways to conserve water. You can write, use pictures, or draw your own pictures for this poster. You're going to display this poster outside of the classroom for the whole school to see. Day 3, you're going to tell your classmates what you have learned. You will display your poster for your classmates to see as well. And the person who did not write the paragraph will be telling the class today all the information that you learned about droughts and water conservation. It's going to be a fun 3 days. So how are you evaluated? Well, let's see. Let's go back to evaluation. So you're evaluated on 4 things: participation, content, your presentation, and your organization. So what I want to see is you actively participate in the research and developing the presentation. I want to see that you complete all of your tasks. I also want to see that you write and speak in complete sentences, and that the poster contains the 5 examples of how to conserve water. I would like you to see that you have clearly organized the information during your research and in your presentation. And make sure that your writing has no punctuation errors and the poster is neat. So in conclusion, group, you should know about droughts and water conservation, different ways to conserve the water, right at home and anywhere really. I also want you to share the information that you've learned from the websites with the group members and be able to present the information to classmates. And then you can display your poster and teach other people all around the school how to conserve water. And maybe you can check out different resources that need to be conserved. And you can try to make a poster about that and teach others about other natural resources. All right, group, that's it. Thanks.